So I'm now putting the sprockets back on. So I've done one side already. So the thing to note is, this is less important when you're, you know, the camshafts are lined up so that this big hole and that big hole point to each other. I mean, that should be the case because that's when you have the crankshaft locking pin in place. So, and it's good that that's the case. So, put this bolt in here. Oh wait, why do I have to do these? Oh, that's because it came with the other camshaft. With the salvage head. So I shouldn't need 3 of them, I just need 2. I need this side. Tighten this guy. So there were these paint marks on the sprocket, which this is circularly symmetric, so I don't think that it makes any difference. And certainly the manual doesn't say, it's completely silent on the topic. So I'm going to tighten these, but in the meantime I'm going to work the rig belt in there. This is our timing belt. The one which, if it fails, bad things happen. But in this case, this didn't fail, but the tensioner pulley did. This guy? That guy? This guy. Anyway. So I'm going to put this, so I had marked it driver's side. And that is the driver's side, left side, so I'm going to put this in here. And it goes in leads like so. It's possible, but I can get it in right now. Does it go on toilets? I can't remember. Really? No, I don't think it does actually. I think it goes here. Yep, there's a place for it to go. And I might have made a mistake here. I think I'm supposed to have or not. This may be a problem. I may have to remove the hydraulic pump.